Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to clear cache data in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear the cache data in your Terabox, first open up a Terabox app on your phone. And after opening your Terabox account, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three lined icons available for us. Tap on the three lined icons at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on settings, and over here, guys, you can see the second last option just above the about section. There is the clear all cache data. Tap on the clear all cache data over here, and with that being done, guys, your cache data on Terabox app will be cleared out. And then, guys, this is how to clear cache data on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.